Does it support the use of 5ber? Today I'm testing the Honor 10X. If unsure whether the phone supports 5ber, you can download the app to verify before buying 5ber card. The app download link is located at the bottom of the official website, or you can directly download it from Google Play. Open the app and log in using email or sign up. View the supported card slots on the home page and device info page. Received a 5ber card with installation steps, customer service contact details, and a QR code for the official website. Once inserted, wait for the app to refresh. Click the right bottom icon, Support Scan to download eSIM, and manage the installed eSIM by swiping left. Turn on the eSIM switch and enable data. In phone settings, turn on data roaming. Let's check the internet speed now. I'm using a speed test to test the Asian 1 GB data of Mogo eSIM. Overall, the internet speed is decent. If you have more phones and eSIM plans you want us to test, feel free to leave a comment. Lastly, don't forget to follow 5ber.eSIM.